Hey, it's Sam back here. Welcome to this video, and I'm excited today to introduce you to Viddyoze 2.0. This is a review video, but also on this video, I'm not only going to show you how you can use Viddyoze 2.0 in your business and why you might want to consider the software, and I'll give you a full, walkthrough of the software, what it is, the disadvantages of the software, the advantages of it. I'm also going to show you as well why you might want to use this to go ahead and make money. Some ways that you can actually use this software to go ahead and make money selling these types of videos to businesses, selling these types of videos online, or using this with a system like Upwork or Fiverr in order to make money. So I'll walk you through exactly how to do that and what kind of cost or what people are prepared to pay you for videos, videos that you create, and it's a very easy way of leveraging your time and making some extra money online. So this software, it's really well known. If you've got Viddyoze 2.0, the guys are just working out what is going to happen for you, but I believe they're going to have some information on the sales page that'll say, go to the special link, which will explain exactly what's happening for you. Since Viddyoze 2.0 or 1.0 released, 2.0 now has a ton more templates. It also has, a new UI, a different setup. The way we create videos is different, and there's some really impressive new mock-up videos, overlay videos, outros that they've added into the system that has really taken it up another level. So I want to show you in as many of these as I can. I'm obviously not going to be able to show you a full preview of 228 templates. I would, but I don't think you want to sit around for an hour and a half as I go through every single one of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off by looking at the logo templates. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a couple of videos. My first video is going to be a logo template. My second video is going to show you a new intro template. Okay, now these new intro templates are mock-ups, and then I'll walk you through some of the different designs that are in this software. So let's have a look what's here. First of all, we've got Color Particles logo. You can see here what this creates. It looks professional. The designs look like they're done by someone who really knows what they're doing. And the great thing about this is that there's no technical difficulty to doing this. If you were to go ahead and you were to use these videos right here that are on Video Hive, not only would you be paying a lot more for them, $28, $50, they're a lot more advanced, and you have to go and learn a program called Adobe After Effects in order to use these, which I can tell you from experience is not easy. I've been trying to learn Adobe After Effects for the last 6 months. I know how to do some things, but other things are very difficult for me. Editing text like this right here for a $14 video that I've paid for still takes me probably a few hours to do, and to make a completed video. So it's not the easiest of things to do. Now, if you want to create fantastic looking videos, Adobe After Effects till now has been the way to do that, and it still is the way to do that if you want to do longer videos. There's no way of really avoiding that. Okay, it's a very advanced software, very good software. However, where Viddyoze comes in is it allows you to use professional intros, professional outros inside of your videos, whether it's a training video, whether it's a sales video, that give people the impression who are watching your videos that you really know what you're doing when it comes to video creation. It looks professional, and there's probably a high percentage or high chance that you'll be able to charge more and get higher conversions as a result of these professional video intros, video outros, and videos that you can add into your videos that you've created. It also helps the user experience for someone that's watching your training. It helps lift the value online so that they're willing to pay more, and that they're willing and they feel like they've got a lot more out of it. Okay, so this is where these come in. There's a number of ways you can use these. You'll probably have a few ideas yourself about how to use them, and as you can see, they look really, really good. We've got Firefly Swarm. I'm not sure how they got these created, but they've obviously got someone who's very talented when it comes to this, and you can go ahead and look through these and select the one that works best for you. Let's grab one now that works, what we think is going to be a good one. We click the plus if we want to start creating our video, and it takes us to this 3-step process here. Now, it really is a very simple process to create our video and render it. It has the information here of what's inside of this video. It has the instructions, and it also has here a way that we can add an image. Let me add a logo of mine today. We'll add in my social Sam Backer consulting logo. This is for my consulting business. We'll click next. We'll now adjust the color if we want to. So for me, my color is black or white. We'll choose that color. We'll go next. Now we'll choose if we want to include the audio from this effect. Yes, we do. And we'll name our audio now, Sam Becker Consulting logo effect. All right, so we've done that. We've named our video, and that's all we need to do. We review and render. And the great thing about this software is, even if you have a really slow computer, if you're on a computer from the early 2000s, this is going to it won't affect at all whether you're able to render your videos fast. Okay, it's going to go ahead and it does it online. So it means that you don't have to render on your computer. It's going to do it online, and all you need to do is, wait for it to render. And it takes usually a couple of minutes. You can see a preview of your rendered video over here in my videos, and you can actually see as the video is loading. So when you click here, you'll start to see an MP4 image like here, or a WebM video that'll be available here. This is a logo that I created earlier. You can preview these videos if you want to. You can have a look, download videos later on. And if we want to go ahead and we want to go across now back to our videos, we can now go ahead and create a new video. Okay, we don't have to wait until our rendering's finished. And I'll go ahead and show you what the video looks like in just a moment. But let's go ahead and look at video intros. Now, one of the new effects that looks really cool is a mock-up design. Now, mock-ups are really important if you're, promoting an application of any sort, a software. They can really help to give that professional look. You've probably seen me using them in some of my videos. The way that I created those is it took me, the videos that I usually create for sales pages usually take me a couple of days, 2 to 3 days, and they're built off VideoHive templates that I've paid for. I usually spend a few $100s per month on VideoHive templates, and then I go ahead and edit in my images. So you can do the same with these intros here and have this as part of your video when you're promoting an app or an advertisement that you're promoting on Facebook or anything like that. We'll click plus here, and now we'll be able to go into our application. So here it has a way that we can add in our video. We can add in an application image here. It's got also the details about what we're going to be adding in, 6 texts and 2 images. The one disadvantage I think of using this software is that it doesn't show a live preview. Now, I know that's probably a very difficult thing to do for them, but that's one disadvantage, okay? When you're editing, you won't be able to see a live preview. One of the things that I wanted to be able to do was see a live preview, but in this case, you can't see a live preview. Now, I've actually got an application myself. I've got a mobile app that we've developed for Backers Board. I'm going to go over to Backers Board right now, and I'm going to actually grab that application image, all right? So you can see it up here. It's in the corner. Here, if you want to download it, you can download it, and then we're going to grab an image from here. So I'll just grab this image. I'm going to save this image as, this is an Android app, and I'll say Android app. Now we're going to go across, we're going to click on drop and drag our image in here. Now I believe that this is the end screen, okay, that's what's going to pop up over our home page, and this, I believe, is the first image. All right, so let's go ahead and click this. Click this image right here, and there it is, it's added in. So what we can do now is we can, if we want to, have that first screen, which is this screen here. We could change this if we want to, or we could leave it as is, and we could just have our app popping out. Now let's click next, and what we're going to do, actually I'll go preview. I believe actually, in fact, this is the end screen here, and this is the logo. So let me see if that's the case. We're going to grab a logo from Backers Board. Save image as, we'll just grab our regular logo here, and we'll take this across to videos, we'll add this in here, and we've now added in our logo. So we've got that here, we open it up, we add it in there, we click next, and now we can adjust our title. So our title is Title 1, Subtitle, Title 2, Subtitle, and End Title. Okay, so we've got 2 sets of titles that we can add, and then we've got end title and a call to action title. So we could say, download the new Backers Board app. Find content, find online marketing information now. Then we could say, it's free, sign up today. End title could be, what are you waiting for? Get access now. Cool. So if I was advertising this, for example, in Facebook, or if I wanted to, do an intro to my application, or if it was an ad that was going to slot into another video of mine, I could do that with this here. Now I can customize this color, this background color, if I want to. I'm going to leave it the same. I think it's the same shade of blue that I use on Backer's board, or similar to it. And I'll put in BB intro. Review and render. So we're going to go ahead and review this right now and render. We'll click on render, and it's now going to render this image. Now I've got one doubt. I'm not sure how my logo is going to turn out because it's not a PNG. I recommend using a PNG for this this logo that you upload. If you are not uploading a PNG, it means it'll show this white around the side of it. So it may not be what you're looking for. So make sure if you're doing that, if you can at all possible, go ahead and use what's going to be best for you. Okay, now if we go back to my videos, we'll see that my download over here is downloadable, and I can now use it. So that took about 5 minutes. It probably took about 2 to 3 minutes. They've improved the rendering time significantly for this software right here. It really helps a lot, and it's one of the first things that I noticed in using this. I remember that the last Viddyoze 1.0, it took probably about 20 minutes to render sometimes. With this software, it's very easy and takes a matter of minutes. This one will be available very soon. Let's preview our new video here. This is our logo that we created just a moment ago. I don't know if you can hear that sound, but it includes sound. Each one of these includes sound. And look how good that looks. It looks really nice. It looks clean, crisp, and it's the type of thing you'd be proud to attach to one of your training videos or one of your sales videos. Okay, let's go back to now my videos. We'll go back to the home page here. Back to the home of videos. Yep, there we are. And now we can have a look at some other video intros. So these are outro videos. This are overlay videos, sorry. These are overlay videos which you put over an image. You see this checkered image here. That's where your image is, all right? So this checkered stuff here, it's transparent background. That's where your image goes, and you can have your application, your website coming through and getting zoomed in. Same here as well. It can be, under something and then become part of the animation, which is really quite cool. We've got that as well. Anytime you see these checkers, it means that you can add a video there, you can add an image there. So in this case, this is a intro video or intro style video, and this is the type of introduction that you would be able to attach to, say, a testimonial video. Same with this, a news broadcast, in a video that you're using with Camtasia, a training video. It might say Sam Backer, training instructor. Anything like that, and you can then add your video in here so it's transparent in the back. We've also got title animations. These are pretty self-explanatory. They're title animations. We've got transitions. These go in between slides, in between scenes. If you were doing a video, for example, you could cut across if you made a mistake, or cut across if you're introducing a new topic. And you see this in TV all the time. They use these types of animations. And then we have social animations, which are great if you are looking to get people from social media. If you're running a business, for example, you're consulting to a client, you want to build more subscribers on Twitter, more subscribers on YouTube, more subscribers on Facebook. These types of intros can help to direct people to where they can find information about you. And you'll see here there's quite a few of these as well. This is one of the more popular things. You'll see these types of outros attached to a lot of YouTube videos. A lot of big YouTube channels use these types of outros to get people following them on social media. Cool, and I think some of the animations here are from the previous videos as well. So let's go ahead to my videos, and before we jump into how to make money with videos, let's go ahead and download, or wait for our download to come up. I'm sure it'll come up soon, and I'll show you this in just Okay, the rendering is completed. Let's go ahead to my videos. Let's go ahead and download this MP4. It's 9.5 megabytes. You'll see also that these videos are rendered really well. One of the disadvantages of using a software like Adobe After Effects, if you've gone to the hassle of learning that, is that when you download these files, they're these big 1 gig files. So it's very hard to use them. Okay, you need to convert them again. With these, they've already converted them, so it's quite useful to be able to just load these up and start using them immediately. Well, where did that go? Let's load this up, let's play it now and have a look at it. I'm not sure if you can hear that music. That's pretty cool. It's free, sign up today. Oh, there's my logo. I reversed. Whoops, I got the wrong things around the wrong way. So I'm going to reconvert that and show you that in just a second. Now, with this image, one of the things you'll notice is that it needs to be high quality. I took this as a screenshot off my website, so it's not going to look great. We would need to add that in here. Even still, it would look okay. It's not the most, the best looking app that you've probably seen, but my logo would come in here as a PNG. So this doesn't look that great, but you get the point. If I was to review, I'm going to re-render this, and I'll show you it at the end of this video, my